Welcome to our lookup tutorial. Today we are going to explore various ways to search for products using our system. Whether you're searching by part number, category, tags, technical details, or application, our system offers multiple methods tailored to your needs. Let's dive into the basic search. To get us started with the basic search, click on lookup on the operator sidebar and then select basic search from the options. Alternatively, clicking on lookup from the top panel will directly take you to the lookup screen with the basic search option already selected. You can also access the basic search by entering your keyword in the text field at the top of the application from whichever section you are. On this screen, you'll notice different sections at the top that allow you to perform a basic search. Simply click on the keyword text field and type in either a part number or a keyword. Let's try typing red and hitting the search button. As you can see, all the products matching your keyword will be displayed. If you wish to modify or redo your search, click the search again button at the top. For example, we can try searching for a new keyword like TV00 and hit the search button. As you see, there's a button below the product image that says remove from compare, which allows you to remove the product from a comparison list. We will talk about this feature more later on. You are able to visit the product page by clicking on it. On the product page, you will find product images and you can easily browse through them using the arrows next to the product. Additionally, you can access a wealth of information about the product, including its availability in various warehouses, pricing across different levels, a detailed description, any notes, and technical files. Within the Technical Files tab, you can discover all the files associated with this product. Just click on a file to preview it. You can go through its pages by clicking on the next and previous button. And if you'd like, you can download it using this button here. For added convenience, you can also download files directly by clicking on the Cloud button here. As you see, there are a few icons on the right top corner of the page. The first available button is disabled since we haven't chosen any customers yet. We will come back to this icon when we choose a customer. The icon with the $sign allows you to manage the product's price for different price levels. You can edit the price simply by clicking on the edit button, entering the new price, and hitting the save button. The second available button is for reporting a problem. You can click on it and it'll open a dialog. In the open dialog, you can write about the problem and submit it. The last available button is for creating a link that allows you to share the product with others. By clicking on it, a unique share link will be generated, and you can copy it by clicking the copy button. If for any reason you don't like the generated link, you can click on the new link and the new link will be generated. There are some advanced settings for the link that you can access by clicking on the advanced button. With these advanced settings, you can determine whether there will be a click limitation for the link or an expiry date. You can enable or disable these settings by clicking on the radio box next to them. You can also change the click limit by entering a new number or adjust the expiry date by entering a new date. As you can see, there is a search bar below the product's price level that allows you to search for a user. Let's search for Parsa and select the customer from the system suggestions. We can go with this one. After choosing a customer, a specific price level will be assigned based on the selected customer's profile. you can adjust the quantity of the item by clicking on the minus and plus buttons. Then you can decide whether to add it to the customer's cart or their code. Now the first button on the top right corner of the page becomes available once you've selected the customer. Click on it to open a dialog. This dialog allows the operator to submit a competitor company's price by entering the company's name and the price, and then hit the submit button. Now let's return to the previous search we conducted. You can refine your search further by clicking the edit search button. For instance, to add category filtering, select the category from the drop down menu. Let's select HD auto part. If there are subcategories like radiator, choose the relevant one. If there are further subcategories, they will appear as additional drop down options. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click the search button. Now products that not only match RAD in their part number but also belong to the selected category and subcategory will be displayed. You can adjust or remove these filters as needed. For example, to remove the subcategory filter, simply click on the dash icon next to it. As you see, there is no result found. To change the order of your search results, click the edit search button and choose the desired order from the drop-down. Let's choose part number. After setting your preference, click the search button again. Now your results will be organized based on your selection. Using the application search, you can easily find products based on their specific application. Let's start by selecting lookup from the operator sidebar and then application. An alternative way is to directly choose the application tab at the top of the lookup screen. Kick off your search by selecting the make from the drop-down menu. For example, we can choose Honda. You'll notice that the results are categorized for easier navigation. For more specific results, you can refine your search after selecting the make. Click on Edit Search, choose a model, and even specify a year. We can choose Civic, and for year we can choose 2013. If you want to rearrange your results, adjust your search filters and select your preferred ordering method. We can choose part number and then we will hit search. As you see, the search is refined. To reset or remove certain filters, simply click on the remove icon next to the filter. We can remove the year and you'll get more items. And if you want a fresh start, click the search again button. And that's everything for basic and application search in the lookup section of the application.